Greenlife Matters is a campaign run by the Nursery and Garden Industry Association of New Zealand to promote the benefits of plants and green spaces to the public, communities, councils and business. A place where plants and green spaces have come together down throughout history is up on the roof, with the Hanging Gardens of Babylon perhaps the most well-known example. The Hobbit House at Hobbiton would have to be New Zealand's most famous green roof, but they're far from simply a tourist attraction. Green roofs are an old idea with many modern benefits.
Living roofs are the one system that you can incorporate in any development which ticks a whole lot of boxes, from biodiversity to aesthetic value to actually reducing your energy bills with heating and cooling. You can actually extend your roof life by 2 or 3 times because the green roof will protect the waterproofing membrane from UV and weather damage.
A green roof is constructed of several layers and is designed to be watertight and relatively lightweight. Even so, common misconceptions remain that they leak and they're too heavy.
Within New Zealand, we now have new legislation where any new commercial building can actually handle a very lightweight living roof. We're slowly trying to dispel all of these myths that living roofs actually will make your roof leak. It's just not going to happen.
Controlling and reducing stormwater is another key benefit of green roofs. This was the motivation for the living roof planted in 2006 on top of a Waitakere City Council building in West Auckland. There was also another pioneering objective.
This was the first commercial building where native New Zealand plants were trialled for a living roof project. Native plants that we used in the roof ranged from coastal species, river flat species, a few alpine species, plants that were found in locations where there are extremes of environments.
The trial has found that coastal plants have done the best. Astelia, coastal hebes, the charming little ground cover Pamelia prostrata, and festuca grasses.
One of the really interesting things through the project that we found was that as the plants grew and interacted with one another, the little microclimates that were established helped the whole system sustain itself.
The success of the trial could well lead to green roofs becoming a refuge for native plants under threat in the wild. Even animals like our endangered native skinks could find safe haven here. And, as they found at Waitakere, there's another upside, the feel-good factor.
We were all in the office building next door, and there's a stairwell that goes up the side of that building, and every day people would stop on that stairwell and look out over this roof because it looked so fantastic.
With so many benefits, the only way is up. New Zealand roofs, particularly in urban areas, are in for a green makeover.